Psalms chapter 1. True happiness. Happy are those who reject the advice of evil people, who do not follow the example of sinners, or join those who have no use for God. Instead, they find joy in obeying the law of the Lord, and they study it day and night. They are like trees that grow beside a stream, that bear fruit at the right time, and those whose leaves do not dry up. They succeed in everything they do. But evil people are not like this at all. They are like straw that the wind blows away. Sinners will be commended by God and kept apart from God's own people. The righteous are guided and protected by the Lord, but the evil are on the way to their doom. Psalms chapter 2. God's chosen king. Why do the nations plan rebellion? Why do people make their useless plots? Their kings revolt, their rulers plot together against the Lord and against the king he chose. Let us free ourselves from their rule, they say. Let us throw off their control. From his throne in heaven, the Lord laughs and mocks their feeble plans. Then he warns them in anger and terrifies them with his fury. On Zion, my sacred hill, he says, I have installed my king. I will announce, says the king, what the Lord has declared. He said to me, You are my son. Today I have become your father. Ask, and I will give you all the nations. The whole earth will be yours. You will break them with an iron rod. You will shatter them in pieces like a clay pot. Now listen to this warning. You kings, learn this lesson. You rulers of the world, serve the Lord with fear. Tremble and bow down to him, or else his anger will be quickly aroused and you will suddenly die. Happy are all who go to him for protection. Psalms chapter 3. Morning prayer for help. I have so many enemies, Lord, so many who turn against me. They talk about me and say, God will not help me. But you, O Lord, are always my shield from danger. You give me victory and restore my courage. I call to the Lord for help, and from his sacred hill he answers me. I lie down and sleep, and all night long the Lord protects me. I am not afraid of the thousands of enemies who surround me on every side. Come, Lord, save me, my God. You punish all my enemies and leave them powerless to harm me. Victory comes from the Lord. May he bless his people. Psalms chapter 4. Evening prayer for help. Answer me when I pray. O God, my defender, when I was in trouble, you helped me. Be kind to me now and hear my prayer. How long will you people insult me? How long will you love what is worthless and go after what is false? Remember that the Lord has chosen the righteous for his own, and he hears me when I call to him. Tremble with fear and stop sinning. Think deeply about this. When you lie in silence on your beds, Offer the right sacrifices to the Lord and put your trust in Him. There are many who pray, "Give us more blessings, O Lord. Look on us with kindness." But the joy that you have given me is more than they will ever have with all their corn and wine. When I lie down, I go to sleep in peace. You alone, O Lord, keep me perfectly safe. Psalms chapter 5. A prayer for protection. Listen to my words, O Lord, and hear my sign. Listen to my cry for help, my God and King. I pray to you, O Lord. You hear my voice in the morning. At sunrise, I offer my prayer and wait for your answer. You are not a God who is pleased with wrongdoing. You allow no evil in your presence. You cannot stand the sight of the proud. You hate all the wicked people. You destroy all liars and despise violent, deceitful people. But because of your great love, I come into your house. I can worship in your holy temple and bow down to you in reverence. Lord, I have so many enemies. Lead me to your will. Make your way plain for me to follow. What my enemies say can never be trusted. They only want to destroy. Their words are flattering and smooth, but full of deadly deceit. Condemn and punish them, O God. May their own plots cause their ruin. Drive them out of your presence because of their many sins and their rebellion against you. But all who find safety in you will rejoice. They can always sing for you. Protect those who love you. Because of you, they are truly happy. You bless those who obey you. Lord, your love protects them like a shield. Psalms chapter 6. A prayer for help in time of trouble. Lord, do not be angry and rebuke me. Do not punish me in your anger. I am worn out. O Lord, have pity on me. Give me strength. I am completely exhausted, and my whole being is deeply troubled. How long, O Lord, will you wait to help me? Come and save me, Lord. In your mercy, rescue me from death. In the world of the dead, you are not remembered. No one can praise you there. I am worn out with grief. Every night, my bed is damp from my weeping. My pillow is soaked with tears. I can hardly see. My eyes are so swollen from the weeping caused by my enemies. Keep away from me, you evil people. The Lord hears my weeping. He listens to my cry for help and will answer my prayer. My enemies will know the bitter shame of defeat. In sudden confusion, they will be driven away. This is the word of the God. Thanks to be to the Lord.